Chewie. Han Solo, Chewie. Yes. All right. So, all right, let's get to some light. Allow me to shed some light on the subject.
I know what song that is.
It's not a song, it's a movie. It's Meet the Robinsons. All right, and so we're going to factor by grouping. If you look at your solutions, this is question number 7 off of your review, and you see your solutions over here. For one, they're in a set notation and not coordinate notation. Okay, so that's a set. When it's brackets, it's sets. And so therefore, we'll do it in both ways so you'll recognize it. But what I want you to notice about your answers is that they're not decimals and they're not square roots. So therefore, they're going to be factorable. Even if you don't check it out, they're already factorable because you know they're whole numbers. Okay? And so on that, we're going to factor this. So that since it has a coefficient of 1 right there already, I don't have to do anything else to it. I can just ask the question, what do I multiply to give me negative 18 and add to give me 7? Okay? And so what numbers are those? We got 9 and 2, give me 18, and there's a 7 associated. I have a negative up here, but this one's positive, so therefore my 2 is going to be negative. Okay? So now I'll bring down my original, and the factor by grouping concept takes me to split the b term. So this is going to be x squared plus 9x minus 2x minus 18 equal to 0. And now that I have an even number of pieces in here, those are my groups. So what's the GCF in this one? X. So x plus 9 is left when I pull out an x. Now, the GCF in this one we can clearly see is a 2, but we need to make sure that it gives me an x plus 9, and so therefore what's going to make this a plus is pulling out a negative 2. And so it's leaving with x plus 9. And since both of them are the same, that gives me my 2 factors. So my factored form is x minus 2, x plus 9. And to solve those zeros will be x minus 2 equals 0, and x plus 9 equal to 0. And so therefore, add 2, x equals 2, subtract 9, x equals negative 9. So, the way that our solution could be written is this is a coordinate where the y value is 0. This is a coordinate where the y value is 0. Your answer form has them written in set notation of 2 and negative 9. Oh, and they actually wrote it like this on your...
Is this factoring?
Yeah, this is factoring. That's how it's written on your answer form, which is B. Factor by grouping is what this is called.